Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
They're definitely heavy duty. You can tell there's quality, better leverage.
It gives you more leverage to cut the thicker metals and the thicker wires. That way you don't have to have your linemen's all the time. You know, you can use the diagonal pliers instead.
The cut's very easy. There's not a lot of stress on your hands when you're cutting it. It goes through the stuff pretty easily.
Occasionally, it is very instructive to take a look back in history when carrying out further development on tools. Box joints have always been valued for being compact, strong, and durable. And with the production possibilities available today, it is also possible to manufacture them in large series with high repeat accuracy. This creates a compact, light, strong, precise, and durable pair of diagonal cutters. A classic application example is the use by electricians. The 40% improvement in power transmission means that it is even easier to cut cables. Cutting the cable to its final length for connection is achieved with a precise cut. This exercise is also completed excellently when cutting fine strands of flexible cables, and if necessary, also the finest single wires. In addition to this, the Knipex X Cut does everything that's expected of universal, robust diagonal cutters. It cuts fence wire just as effectively as nails, even nails that are somewhat thicker. The X Cut cleanly cuts through harder wire such as barbed wire. Mechanical engineering components are shortened quickly using the X Cut. Its cutting edges are not affected by cutting spring steel. The new all-rounder bites through the most diverse tasks robustly and precisely. These include cutting plastic parts such as cable ties. This task also requires precisely guided and accurately produced sharp cutting edges, and the X Cut masters it with the greatest of ease. The Knipex diagonal cutters with box joint design for maximum stability. Compact, light, powerful, and precise.
Yeah, I've used pretty much all of the top makes of snips over the years, and there's no doubt about it, CK are simply the best of the lot. That's right, you know you're getting quality when you buy German products, but even some of the other German snips struggle to cut through earthing cable. My CKs go through it, no problem at all. Just look at that.
Well, my mate was always banging on about how good his CK's cutters were, so I decided to give them a go. He's not often right, but he is on this one. They cut really well and stay sharp for longer. These old ones are still a cracking piece of kit.
Well, I guess it's got to be my cutters. I use them more than any other tool in my bag, so they've got to be good. The CK cutters are comfortable to use and they cut really well. I like the fact that they seem to handle anything from fine multi-stranded wire to tails. No other cutters that I've come across touch my CKs. Comfort and